To show UV index on lock screen to monitor sun exposure on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to add the UV widget to your lock screen. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Here you can see a widget bar just below the clock. It may show add widget or already have widget. Tap the bar to show up the widget list. Scroll down the widget list. Tap Weather. And then tap UV widget to add it to the widget bar. Tap Done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the UV widget is displayed under the clock, showing the UV index. With this widget, you can stay aware of the sun's intensity throughout the day without unlocking your phone. It's a simple way to protect your skin and plan your outdoor activities smarter. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.